Modern server rooms are stuffed with an ever-expanding range of dedicated single-function network appliances, all handling an exploding number of network applications and threats. Each consumes space, power, and, most important, the finite amount of time you, the administrator, has in your working day. It doesn't need to be like that. This is a CR100IA, one of Cyberoam's range of unified threat management appliances. This single rack mount chassis can replace a firewall, a VPN appliance, intrusion prevention system, antivirus, anti-spyware, anti-spam, and a web content filter. On top of all that, it can handle network bandwidth allocation and link management. But can one appliance do all that and still be straightforward to administer? Moving multiple devices into one unit removes the physical complexity of managing racks of appliances, but done poorly, the complexity of the rack just moves into the box. Cyberoam's version X aims to change that through the simple application of some fundamental principles. A glance inside the machine doesn't reveal anything beyond the fact that it's clearly a capable computing platform in its own right. The magic lies not in the hardware, but the software. It often seems there's an unwritten rule that network appliances must be pointlessly complex just to keep consultants employed. Cyberoam's version X, common across all its UTMs, from small office to large enterprise models, aims to change that. It's designed for humans to use. An appliance's comprehensive naturally sports a lot of options, but the version X interface separates them into clear, logical subsets, making navigation simple and, crucially, avoiding needlessly ambiguous terminology. And it's not stuck in the last decade. It takes advantage of modern Web 2.0 features to enhance usability while avoiding the frivolous. Cyberoam's philosophy is to put time and effort into designing a clear interface, so you don't need to waste your time and effort worrying about invisible gaps in your security. After all, security is only as good as it's configured to be. If all this seems a little too progressive to take in all at one go, don't worry. You can still log in to a traditional command line interface if you need to. Initial configuration is simple. Just hook up a network crossover cable, there's one supplied, and browse to the web interface. A setup and configuration wizard ensures you've not missed vital steps in setup. And after that, a quick visit to the dashboard shows critical messages and status without needing to trawl through activity logs or dig through menus. That tight, all-in-one place integration means no compatibility problems and no chinks in your network armor. The Cyberoam UTM series covers every size of business, from small offices to large enterprise, with a range of 11 UTM devices. All share the same version X interface, so as an organization grows, you can trade up without the usual learning curves. Have a look at the resources on this page for in-depth details of what Cyberoam appliances can do, and which of the range will be best suited to your business.